scholars. This morning we are going to look at one of the best uses of Google Scholar Lab. It's a new release from Google, and it's a very interesting one, and I thought I should share how best I've used it. So we are in the Google Scholar Lab environment. I'm going to quickly ask a research question. Let's say we are finding out about how is CEO's overconfidence processed or measured. So under the Google Scholar Labs, I've typed that, and let's see what it comes out with. We're going to combine it with ChatGPT. Once we get the best of literature from the Google Scholar, we take it to ChatGPT, and I'll ask ChatGPT to synthesize all that Scholar Lab has been able to search for us. So far, he has given us some papers that have measured, or different measures that some papers have used in measuring CEOs' overconfidence. So I'm going to highlight all of them. If you want more, you can always check for more results. But let's make do with what we have now. I copy, and I'll go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask Chat to synthesize for me. So what I've copied from Google Scholar, I've pasted it into ChatGPT. Now I'm asking ChatGPT to synthesize a CEO's overconfidence using those literature. Or perhaps you can even say, okay, let's go with this. Let's go with this. So I've copied the works there. You can see, Chat is synthesizing, but the most important thing for me is concerning this Google Scholar Lab is the ability to work with real papers, no AI hallucination, and that gives it edge over using ChatGPT to synthesize your literature, because ChatGPT will come up with fake papers, fake DOIs. But now that you have taken all the papers from Google Scholar Lab, you are sure that you are getting the right papers, the right citations, and there are no fake or hallucination that ordinarily you may have experienced using ChatGPT. So this is the power of Google Scholar Lab, and I think this is looking like the way to go in the use of AI for literature review. It's a very powerful tool so far that I've seen. Let me once try and read it out. What do we have? The references are in APA 7 as I've instructed it, which can easily be copied and pasted into your working environment. Okay, I think that's what I needed to show you this morning. I hope you will try it out and see the power of Google Scholar Lab. Thank you for stopping by.